Hello everyone! Welcome sa The Learning Launch Podcast, ang podcast kung saan pinag-uusapan natin ang mga trending at importanteng topics tungkol sa education, technology, at students' life. Ako si Tyron, ang host ninyo, and thank you so much for joining us today. Today's topic is something na halos lahat ng estudyante ay may experience na. AI in the classroom, the ethical frontier of using ChatGPT and AI generation tools for schoolwork. Simple lang ang tanong natin ngayon. Is AI helping students learn or is it slowly making us dependent? To help us answer that, may dalawa tayong special guests. First, we have Pacifico, a senior high school student na regular na gumagamit ng AI sa school.
Hi everyone! Thank you sa invitation pala. Excited na ako ma-share yung experience ko bilang student na gumagamit ng AI almost week.
Thank you for that, Pacifico. And of course, kasama rin natin si Dr. Erin, an AI expert and educational advisor.
Hello everyone! Thank you for inviting me. Sana after today's discussion, mas maintindihan natin kung paano gamitin ang AI ng responsable.
Pacifico, let's start with a simple question. Kailan ka unang gumamit ng ChatGPT?
Actually, last year lang kasi may research kami nun. Sabi ng classmate ko, try mo yung ChatGPT, mabilis mag-response. So na-curious ako kaya sinubukan ko na rin. Noong una, ginagamit ko lang siya bilang mag-explain ng mga lesson. Eventually, ginamit ko na rin siya pagiging brainstorming. Paggagawa ng outlines at pag-check na rin ng mga grammars.
Okay, so let's be honest, Pacifico. Nakapag-copy-paste ka na ba ng sagot mo galing AI?
Sa totoo lang, oo. Siguro maraming estudyante ang makaka-relate dito. Pero habang tumatagal, nare-realize ko na wala pala akong natutunan pag nagpapasa lang ako sa assignment ko sa AI. Kaya ngayon, ginagamit ko na lang siya bilang guide.
Thank you for that wonderful answer po, Pacifico. Dr. Erin, maraming teachers ang nagsasabing dahil sa AI, nagiging tamad daw ang students. Agree po ba kayo?
Not really actually. Ang AI ay dapat tool lang. Parang calculator, parang Google, parang dictionary. Hindi naman naging dahilan ng calculator, di ba? Para mawala ang math. Hindi rin naman pinatay ng Google ang pagbabasa ng libro. Ganon din dapat ang AI. Hindi AI ang problema. Ang problema ay kung paano mo ito ginagamit.
Oh, so hindi talaga masama ang paggamit ng AI.
Exactly. Kapag ginagamit mo ang AI para maintindihan ng lessons, very good. At kapag ginagamit mo rin ang AI para mag-practice, very good also. Pero kapag AI ang gumawa ng buong assignment mo, doon siya nagiging unethical.
Let's talk about ethics. Pacifico, kung pinagawa mo sa AI ang buong essay mo, tapos ipinasa mo without changing anything, ano sa tingin mo? Cheating ba yun?
Of course, yes. Kasi hindi na natin siya sariling gawa. Pwede sigurong humingi ng idea, pwedeng magpatulong sa grammar, pero kung buong essay, parang hindi na siya learning.
Thank you for that respond. How about you, Dr. Erin?
I agree. Education is not only about grades, it's about developing skills, critical thinking, communication, creativity, and especially problem solving. Kapag lahat ng iyon ay ipinasa na natin sa AI, ano pang nagde-develop sa atin?
Oo nga, that's a really nice respond. Uy, mukhang may pumasok tayong question mula sa isa nating listener. Ang tanong niya ay, masama pang gumamit ng ChatGPT kapag may assignment? Pacifico?
Hindi naman. Actually, depende kung paano mo gagamitin. Kung ginamit mo siya para mas maintindihan lesson, very good. Pero kung ang ginawa mo ay kinopy-paste mo lang agad, doon tayo nagkakaproblema.
Exactly. Ang AI should help you think. Hindi siya dapat ang nag-iisip para sa'yo.
Wow, thank you for those wonderful responses, no? So, out of all informations we got, let's do a little icebreaker, shall we? Before we start, let's do a little commercial break.
Dati Dati, ang tawag nila sa akin.
Changsha boy! Ito mga bote oh!
Salamat po!
Ngayon,
Uy, graduate na! Salamat po!
hindi madali. Pero, kinaya. Siyempre, sa tulong ng tibay na bigay ni nanay. Tibay ng Bear Brand.
Na ngayon, mas pinatibay. New Bear Brand Fortified Powdered Milk Drink. Meron itong more zinc versus previous formulation, tulong laban sa sakit, at calcium, tulong sa paglaki with 3 balanced meals. Meron pa ring iron at 100% vitamin C base sa Reni.
JV Kalayag po. Junk shop boy noon. Engineering graduate ngayon. Pexman, true story po.
Bear Brand. Patunay na sa tibay, may tagumpay. New Bear Brand Fortified Powdered Milk Drink is not suitable for infant feeding and is not a breast milk substitute.
Tingnan nyo oh, puti ito. Mas puti ito.
Mas puti ito, mas puti ito, mas puti ito.
Sa Pride Bar, pwedeng hindi na mag-bleach, tina o anyel. Dahil ang Pride Bar ay may power whitener na nanunuot sa bawat hibla. Kaya ang gamit ay kislap puti at banayad pa sa kamay.
Mas puti ito, mas puti ito, mas puti ito.
Pride Bar, hindi lang puti, kislap puti.
ACS.
Welcome sa the Learning Lunch Podcast. We are back and we are going to do a little icebreaker. Let's play this little game called Myth or Fact. Pacifico, sasagutin mo if either myth or fact ang statement coming from the sources everywhere. And Dr. Erin, ikaw ang mag-check and magbigay ng feedback towards it. Ready na ba kayo?
Ready?
Let's go!
Number 1, AI is always correct.
Meet yan syempre.
Correct. Kasi ang AI, nagme-make ng mistakes, even create false information. That's why students should always verify facts.
That's a really nice respond. Second question, using AI automatically means cheating.
Meet din yan.
Nice. Correct again. Using AI is not cheating. Misusing AI is.
Yes, that's a really great information, no? Last one, AI can completely replace teachers.
Definitely meet yan.
Right. Teachers don't only teach information. They inspire, guide, mentor, and understand students emotionally. No AI can fully replace that.
That's a really wonderful answers, no? Thank you so much. Before we end, I'd like both of you to give one advice sa ating listeners. Pacifico?
Sa kapwa ko estudyante, use AI wisely. Hindi shortcut ang AI. Study partner siya. Mas fulfilling pa rin kapag ikaw mismo nakakaintindi ng lesson.
Thank you for that, Pacifico. How about you, Dr. Erin?
Technology will continue to evolve. AI will become even more powerful in the future. Your honesty, your curiosity, and your willingness to learn. Those are things no AI can replace.
Thank you for that wonderful response too. Ang dami na pala nating napag-usapan today. At sa huli, hindi talaga masama ang paggamit ng AI. Hindi rin ito ang magic solution sa lahat ng school problems natin. Isa lamang itong tool as Dr. Erin mentioned. At tulad ng kahit anong tool, nasa gumagamit pa rin kung magiging mabuti ba o masama ang epekto nito sa kanya. So the next time you open ChatGPT, ask yourself, am I using this to learn or am I using this to avoid learning? Maraming salamat kina Pacifico at Dr. Erin for joining us today.
Thank you guys!
Thank you. It was a pleasure to be here with you guys.
And thank you sa lahat ng ating listeners. This has been the Learning Launch Podcast. I'm Tyron, reminding everyone to use AI to improve your mind, not to replace it. See you on our next episode.